Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future, your destination for the most exciting innovations in the world of tech, drones, and futuristic gadgets. Today, we're diving into what might just be the most anticipated drone of the decade, the DJI Avata 3. With leaks, rumors, and insider buzz building up rapidly, this next-generation FPV drone could set an entirely new benchmark for the industry. Whether you're a seasoned aerial cinematographer, a passionate freestyle pilot, or a curious newcomer, this is the drone you'll want to keep an eye on. So buckle in, because we're exploring every major upgrade, anticipated spec, design overhaul, and potential release detail that makes the DJI Avata 3 the future of FPV drone technology. The evolution of FPV, from Avata to Avata. Before we get into the cutting-edge tech packed into the upcoming Avata 3, let's take a brief look at the journey DJI has taken with its FPV lineup. The original DJI Avata was a game-changer in its own right, introducing a cinematic FPV experience with a more user-friendly learning curve. Then came the Avata 2, refining this experience with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, 4K video at 60 FPS, HDR capabilities, and a solid 23-minute flight time, not to mention foldable propellers and improved motion control. But the drone community is always hungry for more: better image quality, smarter controls, longer battery life, and improved stabilization. Enter the DJI Avata 3, not just an upgrade, but a complete reimagining of what FPV drones can achieve. Massive camera upgrade, 1-inch sensor for cinematic brilliance. One of the most talked about and exciting upgrades on the DJI Avata 3 is its rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is a significant leap from the Avata 2's 1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor offers numerous advantages, especially when it comes to low-light performance, color accuracy, and dynamic range. With the 1-inch sensor on board, the Avata 3 will be capable of capturing much more detail in shadows and highlights, making it ideal for filming sunrises, sunsets, or dimly lit environments such as cityscapes at night or indoor spaces. Expect crisper textures, deeper blacks, and vibrant hues that truly pop, crucial for filmmakers who demand Hollywood-quality aerial footage. Raw video recording, a game-changer for professional editors. Another feature expected to land with the DJI Avata 3 is raw video recording support, a first for the Avata line. This alone could skyrocket the drone's popularity among professional content creators. Shooting in RAW allows for granular post-production control, which means advanced color grading, exposure correction, and detail recovery that compressed formats just can't offer. This makes the Avata 3 not just a flying camera, but a legitimate tool for commercial video production, indie filmmaking, and even television or cinematic projects. Hybrid stabilization system, mechanical gimbal plus EIs. Let's talk about one of the most requested upgrades by the FPV community, image stabilization. The Avata 2 used electronic image stabilization, EIS, which did the job for most casual shots but struggled under aggressive FPV maneuvers. Now, imagine a system that blends mechanical stabilization with advanced EIS. That's what the DJI Avata 3 is expected to deliver. This hybrid stabilization system would eliminate jitters, warping, and vibration, ensuring buttery smooth footage, even when flying through dense forests, city alleyways, or under bridges at full throttle. This could be a complete game changer for creators who previously spent hours stabilizing footage in post-production. Thanks to aerodynamic enhancements, next-gen Li-ion batteries, and AI-assisted power management, the Avata 3 could achieve up to 28 to 30 minutes of uninterrupted flight time. A remarkable feat for a drone that prioritizes agility and speed. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, safer than ever. Safety is another area where DJI appears to be pulling out all the stops. The Avata 2 was limited to downward and backward sensors, which left gaps in its obstacle detection capabilities, a concern when flying in tight indoor spaces or complex environments. The Avata 3 is rumored to introduce omnidirectional obstacle sensing, combining visual cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and infrared scanning to offer 360-degree environmental awareness. Whether you're doing flips in a forest or navigating an abandoned warehouse, this system could drastically reduce the risk of crashes. Even better, AI-powered alerts and haptic feedback through the controller could warn pilots in real time about potential hazards, making this the safest FPV drone DJI has ever made. 04. Video Transmission System, Unmatched Signal. Quality, reliable transmission is the lifeline of any FPV drone experience. DJI's O3 Plus system was already impressive, offering low latency and stable 1080p feeds. But the Avata 3 is rumored to push it even further with O4 video transmission. Expect increased range, up to 13 kilometers, reduced latency, and higher resolution live feeds even in interference-heavy areas. For long-distance flyers, this means crisper visuals, more accurate navigation, and fewer disconnections when you're pushing the limits of range and performance. Boosted performance and speed, freestyle pilots. Rejoice, DJI isn't ignoring the thrill seekers out there. The Avata 3 is expected to bring new motors, refined ESCs, and redesigned propellers for improved performance. Early reports suggest it could surpass top speeds of 30 meters per second, giving freestyle pilots the velocity they crave. With sharper acceleration and enhanced maneuverability, this drone will be ideal for chasing cars, filming action sports, or pulling off jaw-dropping stunts. At the same time, DJI's aerodynamic refinements aim to reduce drag and increase power efficiency, ensuring you don't sacrifice flight time for speed. DJI knows that portability is non-negotiable for creators on the go. The Avata 3 is expected to retain a compact, foldable design with reinforced hinges, impact-resistant guards, and lightweight composite materials that ensure both mobility and durability. Whether you're backpacking through the mountains or urban exploring, the Avata 3 is shaping up to be the perfect travel companion for drone enthusiasts. Next-gen goggles and motion controller. The immersive experience is just as important as the drone itself. That's why DJI is reportedly introducing DJI Goggles 3, which could feature 4K micro OLED displays, adjustable diopters, and even lower latency rates, giving pilots a smoother, clearer, and more engaging view from the cockpit. The motion controller is also getting a redesign with better ergonomics, improved haptic feedback, and tighter input response for more precise flying, especially critical for newbies navigating FPV for the first time. Automated flight modes and AI assistance. The Avata 3 isn't just for pros. With DJI continuing its push for accessibility, we expect AI-assisted flight modes to return and improve. Features like Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Return to Home will help beginners capture professional-looking shots with minimal effort. For those new to FPV, this could be the easiest drone to learn on, while still having enough muscle for years of creative growth. While DJI hasn't confirmed an official price yet, industry insiders speculate that the Avata 3 could be priced between $1,299 and $1,399. Yes, that's a slight bump over the Avata 2, but the feature set, raw video, 1-inch sensor, hybrid stabilization, omnidirectional safety, and new goggles makes it an incredible value for serious users. If you already own the Avata 2, your decision depends on your needs. For professional content creators, the Avata 3 offers compelling upgrades that could eliminate the need for expensive camera rigs. But if you're a casual flyer who values fun over pixel-perfect footage, the Avata 2 might still serve you well. For newcomers, waiting for the Avata 3 is a no-brainer. You get the latest safety features, longer flight time, and easier learning tools, making your entry into FPV smoother than ever. Conclusion. The future of FPV is here with everything we've discussed, from next-gen camera upgrades to intelligent obstacle avoidance, and from record-breaking transmission tech to freestyle-ready propulsion systems. It's clear the DJI Avata 3 isn't just another drone release. It's a milestone in FPV evolution. This isn't about chasing trends, it's about setting new ones. Whether you're a filmmaker looking to revolutionize your workflow, an adrenaline junkie hungry for high-speed thrills, or a beginner stepping into the FPV world, the DJI Avata 3 might just be the most versatile and powerful aerial platform available under $1,500. So stay tuned, because as soon as more official details drop, you'll hear it first, right here on Technology in the Future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest in drone tech, AI gadgets, and all things futuristic.